Hello and welcome. Today we're going to talk about keyboard shortcuts and using the mouse for shortcuts when you're making a WordPress post or page. So please note that not only can you use these keyboard shortcuts when you're working on your WordPress site, but pretty much every time when you're working with text on your computer. So let's go ahead with this. So please note that a very important part of the keyboard combinations is the control key. You can see this on your keyboard. So let's go with the first one. Control X lets you cut a selection or highlighted text. So let's go ahead with that. Let's type something here. We need to highlight the text. When you do press Control, then press the X button without letting go of the Control button. Press X. It cuts it out. Then you can paste it anywhere. So let's go ahead with another part of the post here. There you go. Cut it again. Highlight. Cut. Then after cutting, you can paste it anywhere on the document or on your post. Control C, which lets you copy highlighted text. So let's go ahead with that. Highlight it. Control again, press Control, don't let it go, and then press on the letter C in your keyboard. It should be copied by now. Then go to anywhere on the post. Then do a paste. Here you go. So it copied it, and then you can paste it now. Now, the combination that we're using when we're pasting is Control V. When we cut or when we copy a text and we want to paste it, we just do the Control V. And it lets us paste the text into the selected portion of the blog or the post. Now, there's one more thing that I forgot to mention here, which is Control Z or zebra. This is the undo action. So when you do a Control Z, let's say you type that part, Control plus Z dash undo. When I do a Control Z, it undoes the actions that I did. It's not using backspace or delete button on your keyboard. It is using the undo action, which in turn undoes whatever I type onto the post. Now you can actually do the same thing with your mouse. So let's go ahead. Let's cut something using the mouse. So highlight, right click, there's cut, Control X, right click, there's Control V, paste, click on that option. You can also copy. So right click and then paste, highlight, right click, copy, then right click, then paste. You can also do an undo using the mouse. Just right click and then click on undo. Right click, click on undo. There you go. So that is all for today. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.